everybody, it's Sherry. I just wanted to do a couple of project shares. It's been a while since I've done a video. I was in a swap with Created to Create and I didn't video what I made, but if you want to see what I made, it's over on her page. I think I was in group 9. Um, so you can go over to Created to Create's page and check it out. Anyways, I got this beautiful paper pack. It's called Wild and Free. It's an older one by Prima, but I saw it and I just had to have it. I fell in love with it. So what I decided to do was make a photo album, a mini album, and put it up for sale on my page here for $60. Um, and let me show you what I did. I put a bunch of flowers on here. They're Prima flowers. They are from the collection, and I have a bunch of little tiny butterflies on here, as you can see throughout here. They're just little. They're like this one that you can really see. Where is it? This one right here. And then I took a picture out of the paper and I put it in this little frame, and I put oh, what is that stuff called? Let me look. Look. This stuff. Glossy accents on it to make it really glossy, and I just kind of filled it up to make the picture frame look full. And the pink on the picture frame, I hope you guys can see the pink on there. It's just a little rub that I put on. It is, hold on a second, let me grab it. Nouveau Mousse, Embellishment Mousse. It's, anyway, Nouveau Embellishment Mousse. And I just kind of rubbed it with my finger. I hope you guys can see it, and got pink on here. And then I used just regular pink paper to cover this with for a base, and black paper inside. And then on the side of the book, I made a little dangle up here at the top. And I put a picture frame on the bottom, and you can stick a little picture in there if you would like to. And the back is just blank. I don't like to put things on the back of my books because I like them to lay down flat. So, and then I'm not going to go through every page because there's a lot of them, but I'll just show you what I did as far as my fold outs. I'll show you all my fold outs. This is the first side, and this is just blank, and then it folds out a couple of different times this way, and it has a pocket right here, and I'm going to put something on this pocket, and then I will put some little cards in here, probably just a little ribbon or something on here is what I'm going to do. Kind of highlight that pocket again, and I'll put some little cards in there from the paper line. And then each one has a little piece that you can use. It comes out of the center here. I just left all of those black and blank because I figured you guys could put whatever pictures you wanted to on them. Sorry about my dog barking. Hold on just a second. No, Coach, be good. And then on this page, it flips up, and this is a pocket right here, and of course it's all magnetized. All the little places are magnetized like this one. It just folds out like that, so you can put pictures all over and do journaling on it or whatever you would like to do. And then this one comes up and down, and then you've got your 3 little slots here, and they're covered on both sides. And then this was just blank right here. You just do that down and up, and this is magnetized to close. And then we have like a little book right here, And then over here, I made a waterfall and it's magnetized as well. So you have your little waterfall here. You can put pictures on them, or you can do little journaling in there if you'd like to. And you turn the page again, and this one flips out. So you have that right there. And this, I did not make a pocket, but it could easily turn into a pocket right here. And then on this page, it flips up and over again. So you have all that space right there. And it's magnetized as well. And then on the back page, it just flips up again like this. And then there's the back. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to put it on here for $60. If anybody is interested, yes, and these just kind of lay free at most places. Just kind of glued them down a little bit here and there. $60. If anybody's interested, please just leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you really fast on that. So again, this is what the outside looks like. Okay, and then the other project share I have with you, my mom came to visit me and she wanted to make these little picture frames, and they are really, really neat. They are made out of these canvases, so you could actually do something on the back here if you would like. And then you just cut your paper, you put your paper on, and you cut your paper however big you would like your frame to be, and then you just decorate it on the outside. And this one is done in purples and whites, and it says once upon a time in here, and it's like the page has got words on it, and then I put some macrame across here. And I'm waiting for it to come in, but I have some bling to go on this side. And it's the little pearl blings, and I'm waiting for it to come in. And this also is going to be on my page for sale, and I would like $30 for this. If anybody is interested, again, leave me a message down below. I will put the prices of the items again in the description box. So yes, it's got flowers, lots of flowers. Let's see, the side's got a butterfly, and then more flowers down here with the little spray that comes up. Another little macrame. I think that's what they're called. If I'm wrong, please let me know. Just a little bit of ribbon throughout here. Very, very pretty. I absolutely love it as well. I think it turned out great. And once I get the bling to put on this side, I think it'll be even more gorgeous. So I'm really looking forward to that. Anyway, that's what I wanted to share today. And I'm planning to get in Scrap to World's ISSA link party. I will be uploading that here in a few days. I'm waiting for some paper to come in for that. But if you would like to join that, you can go on to Scrap to World's page, and she'll have a link in the bottom that says go to her website, and it'll bring up her website, and on there it'll give you the directions of what you need to do, as well as the place to post it at. It's really fun. We all get together, share projects. This time it's embellishments, but they're particular kinds of embellishments. So she does do giveaways on those. So if anybody, I said again, is interested, please go check that out. Okay, that is it for today. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. With the storms going on all around the country, it's been kind of cold after the warm little time that we had here. It started snowing and raining again, so I hope everybody stays safe and warm. Again, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit like, hit the notifications if you'd like notifications. If you don't like the video, click dislike. Click it 15 times if you want to. That's fine with me, but please only positive comments. All right, thank you. Bye.